Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Leonardo AI on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Play Store, which is on your phone. Then what you need to do is go to the search bar to search for Leonardo. So go ahead and search for Leonardo AI, and as soon as you search for it, you can see that it will appear. It is called Leonardo AI Art Generator Kit. So you can see the install icon. Go ahead and click on install, and then Leonardo AI will be downloaded and it will be installed as well. If you want to learn more about it, you can see about this app, AI photo generator tool. So you can see that it will transform your creative visions into stunning digital art with Leonardo, the ultimate AI-powered art companion with an extensive array of tools at your fingertips. Leonardo empowers you to effortlessly unleash your imagination and craft captivating masterpieces like never before. So some of its functionalities are prompt generator, AI art generator, background remover, text remover, image refining, replace background, image upscaling, sketch to image, and whatnot. So you can read more about Leonardo AI from here, and it will help you to make art and generate art as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to download and install Leonardo AI on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.